last year, 6 million people bought a refrigerator 1 year too soon. Introducing the new refrigerator from Maytag. Buy one now, and if it stops working before the year 2000, we'll buy it back. See your Maytag dealer for details. See a Maytag repairman in our commercials. The new refrigerator from Maytag. The dependability people.
We test the features of the GE Space Center 27 so thoroughly, it allows us to offer one more feature. One we're so proud of, we put it on all our major appliances. A 90-day full refund or exchange policy called Satisfaction Guaranteed. Because at GE, we believe you can never come too close to perfection.
We've got people-pleasing people at Howard's.
Howard's gives you free next-day normal delivery. We'll even haul your old appliance away and check the values, like this Hotpoint refrigerator with crushed ice, cubes, and water through the door. Buy this Hotpoint now and receive a $100 savings bond. Howard's People-Pleasing sale price, just $1,149. Howard's 3-block-long superstores. Better prices, better selection, and very nice people.
We've got people-pleasing people at Howard's.
KitchenAid dishwashers are so well made, some people change their kitchens before they change their KitchenAid. So you'll be glad that KitchenAid also makes premium quality refrigerators built to perform as beautifully as our dishwashers for years and years. KitchenAid, for the way it's made. With our trade-up allowance, you can now save a cool $100 on selected KitchenAid refrigerators. For details, see your participating dealer.
They came across country by wagon and settled in Amana, Iowa. Whatever they needed, they made by hand. Made it the best it could be. That same fundamental is still practiced today in Amana, Iowa, the home of Amana Appliances, a Raytheon company. Whatever you make it the best it can be. Raytheon, where quality starts with fundamentals.